Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about what is range element in omniscript and how we can pass value from range element of omniscript to lookup tables, that is the decision matrix of business rule engine of omnistudio. So in the attached tutorial of this reel you can find the full video link. So range element in omniscript is nothing but a slider, interactive slider that basically enables user to select a numeric value from the slider, and based on the selected value we'll be passing that value. For example, if there is a score slider is there, and based on the selected score we'll be passing the score value to a decision matrix using decision matrix action in the omniscript, and based on the value passed from the omniscript to the decision matrix will be returning the grade of that grade of based on the score, right? So in this attached tutorial I have talked about step by step how to implement the range element and as well as the decision matrix, how to create the decision matrix from the scratch. So please do check it out the video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to take membership into my channel. That will motivate me to create more tutorials for you. So thanks for watching.